When you started, I suppose, diversifying into different verticals, like what did that look like? I mean, obviously, as a plumbing company, you knew plumbing and you know plumbing very well, but then all of a sudden, you're bringing in, HVAC, you're bringing in
Could
roofing,
have done it a lot better.
right?
Should have done it a lot better and still learning. Yeah, I suck. I'm not going to lie. Our aircon business is doing really good now. We're starting to work our way through the culture and that piece. And they're a really good bunch of guys. Probably never been trained the network way and still haven't been trained. And they want to learn. So we try and get them in here as much as we can, or when we're doing work or I'm installing aircons around here. And they sit with us or our builder and we go through how we expect it done. So, yeah, we could have done a lot better for sure. And probably naive on my behalf of not going, yeah, okay, let's look at this a little differently.